50%. For Monday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers.
Hello, Doctor. Thank you for joining us today. We are here discussing the paternity of baby Eric. And his mother has indicated that the child was...
Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lamoille, or near Mendota, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs.
As long as I can remember, with the epic...
Mendota, Earlville, Paw Paw, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, Troy Grove, Prairie Center, Triumph, and Harding. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding between mile markers 63 and 80. This includes Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Interstate 39 between mile markers 63 and 80. This includes Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.